Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to see how to reset the theft deterrent system on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain guys how to do that step by step. Now, if you have that light that says service theft deterrent system, if you have security light blinking, you need to apply that procedure and quite often it can fix the problem. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The theft deterrent system, let's talk about that for a second guys. First, you don't have a specifically dedicated fuse for the theft deterrent system because it's made to where you cannot just pull that fuse to deactivate it. So actually the fuse function will be integrated in a different fuse that is for something else as well. Most likely you need to check fuses for the BCM instrument cluster. We have the video on the channel if you want to check it out. Theft deterrent system fuse relay location, guys, check it out on Chevy Equinox, it will teach you about that. If you check them and it's still not good, what do you need to do? You need to reset the system. By resetting the system, okay, everything may start working correctly again. Sometimes you may have a glitch, sometimes it could be a bad key that causes it, that to activate it. So, we'll show you guys how to do that on Chevy Equinox, that generation here guys. But quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there is hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram video that can save you a lot of money guys. So what you need to do now here, we're going to come to the ignition switch. Now guys, you need to lock your car, then unlock your car, come in the car, put the key in, turn it to the on position without turning the key all the way to activate the engine start. Make sure the engine is off. You just turn it to the on position. That's step number 1. Step number 2, you attempt to start the engine. Turn it to engage the starter. And then release the key and come back to on position. Most likely the vehicle will not start. Step number 3, observe the security light guys. This is the security light. After approximately 10 minutes the light will turn off. So ignition switch is still on, right? And when the security light turns off, okay, that's, you go to step number 4, which means turn off the ignition all the way, turn the ignition switch all the way to counterclockwise and wait 5 seconds. Step number 5, you're going to repeat step 1 through 4 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles, because we did the first time, now 2 more times. You need to do that in 30 minutes period. If it's over 30 minutes, it will not work. The vehicle is now ready to relearn the pass lock, sensor data code and the password on the next ignition switch from the off position to the crank position. The vehicle learns the pass lock, sensor data code and password the next ignition switch transition from off to crank position. You must turn the ignition off, then all the way before attempting to start the engine. Number 6, at that point after you did 3 cycles guys and you ended up in off position, you're going to start the engine. The vehicle has now relearned the pass lock, sensor data code and the password guys. So that most likely will reset the system. I know it's a little bit confusing, you may need to rewatch the video to explain it again. But you need to do these 3 cycles in less than 30 minutes, and on the last cycle make sure you don't attempt to start the engine, turn it to off position and then try to start the engine guys to crank position, and hopefully it will fix your problem, because that could be quite frustrating messing with the theft deterrent system on your Chevy Equinox. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.